channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So at first I'm going to take the Lakme Absolute Matte Real Skin Natural Mousse Foundation and I'll spread it all over my face, and with the beauty blender I'll blend it into my skin. After foundation, I'll move on with the concealer, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Sand Sable. For my eyebrows, I'll go in with the Maybelline Fashion Brow. ये बहुत थोड़ा सा ही मेरे पास बचा हुआ है, लेकिन I really love this eyebrow pencil, and it is in the shade grey. For my eyeshadow, I'll go in with the Rose in the Air palette from the Wet n Wild, and I'll use that deep red shade on my crease. And then I'll take that shimmery brownish reddish shade on my eyelids. For my kajal, I'll go in with the L18 kajal. For the mascara, I'll go in with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. For my highlighter, I'll use the same Rose in the Air palette, and I'll use that champagne shade on my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. For my blush, I'll go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade Mellow Wine. For the contour, I'll use Sugar Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer, and I'm in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. For the lipstick, I'll go in with the Stay Quirky liquid lipstick, and I'm in the shade I Woke Up Like This. The liquid lipstick, I'll also use the Lakme 925 in the shade Burgundy Break. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on creating these kind of makeup looks. So I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.